No, I'm Britney Spears' stunt double.
Yes, I'm a locksmith. So, you say you need a key to unlock a door, huh? I got a whole bunch of them here.
Oh, actually, I was just speaking metaphorically.
Metaphorically?
Metaphorically.
Oh! Is that what they speak in Mesopotamia? Oh, because I only took Spanish in high school. Donde está la biblioteca? That means, who stole the biblioteca? Was it you? Where'd you come from?
I'm sorry. You said your name was...
Dudley. That's it. Yeah, don't wear it out. You got a door that needs unlocking?
We do, right? You can actually help us. Would you happen to have a key that can unlock this Disney's Doorway to Dreams Destination Discovery device? Yeah.
You mean the keyhole?
Right, yeah, okay, that's it. I think I got one of those. Okay. Oh boy, that's not gonna work. Oh wait! Hold on a second! I think I got the key to work here! There